So guys, we are going to do park station for you. Let's do park station, guys. So this is park station, guys, where you actually can get the buses to different destinations. So we are going to navigate inside there. I don't know about the about the security that is standing there, if they're gonna allow me to get inside with the camera like this, or I'll just have to pass through and I'll see with whatever they would have to bring to me when I get in there. But anyway, I think they look quiet and they didn't say anything. See, that's the problem with this kind of areas. You know, some of these areas, they're kind of prohibited to be filming. You know, they don't allow it. So when you have to film, actually you've got to be given the permission first of all to film. So how do you get that permission? Actually you go to one of the security offices. When you go to one of those security offices, you will talk to those to those officers, and then they will give you, they'll go ahead to take whatever you'll be doing about that time. And it's very unfortunate. It looks like these stairs are not working. Maybe there is no electricity. I don't know. I don't understand. And this is quite a good exercise after all. Going up there, walking like this. The stairs not working in park station. What's happening in park station? I'm just wondering. I don't know. So yeah, this is park station for you guys. And inside it looks like this. I haven't done a walk video in park station, but I've done a certain video before when I was going to Durban, but it wasn't actually a complete walk one. Yeah, so if you can come at this balcony here, you'll see what it looks like down there. I don't know if you can see. So in different, actually it's like every what is that? There is a way that goes out, that goes straight to the bus, to the buses that is out there now, to the destination that you'll be going. Over this side, over this area here, actually there are banks, and you can also come and have how do you call it? You can also come to book your bus at the end of these offices that is right next to my right. Okay, yeah, and it looks like the stairs are not working completely. Even this other side. Now it's just going to be a short tour, guy, in this area, just to give you an idea how it looks like here at Park Station. Yeah. Then let's go and see this other area, how it looks like. And yeah. So this is actually an exit. If you carry on going that side, you'll be exiting the area, right? But let's just go and see. There's no point. There's no point. Let's go this way. Where do these stairs take us to? I'm not so sure, but I'm not willing to take any one of those because I don't know exactly where it's taking people to. Yeah. Shit. I wonder what would happen if you drop something there. That would be completely crazy. Yeah. If you drop your gadget there, that would be crazy. You won't find it to be done. So you've seen those people down there. Actually, they're waiting for the buses to go to their destinations. So this is Park Station for you, and maybe you might just as well just go down there and see how it looks like. Yeah. That's Park Station for you guys. Yes. Oh, the stairs are now working. Great. So it was just only a momentary thing. I'm happy that they're not working. Yeah. Park Station for you guys. So down here, that's where you have to find you find people waiting for their buses to go to their destinations. Durban, Capetown, Bloemfontein, and many other destinations. These are not working as well. So actually going this side, which area will you be going to? We are still in Park Station. Maybe this way goes out, I'm not so sure, but let's just check. Platforms, baggage, toilets. So I think I need a toilet. Maybe that's where our vlog is going to end. I need a wee. But before I close up, I must find those toilets first of all. Yeah. So guys, this was a Park Station for you. Oh yeah, this was Park Station for you guys. So let me just go for my wee, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Okay, let's just go and check how those toilets looks like, guys. Secret. Let's see how these toilets here at Park Station. What's this? What's that? So, not bad, not bad. Photos. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.